Hello, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Maggie. Today we're going to be swatching the new E.L.F. Cosmetics Cream Glide Lip Liners, and they're only $2, and I feel like they came out with these because everyone was obsessed with the Jennifer Coolidge one, which I also show a little swatch of all of these compared to that. So if you already have that one, there is one in there that's kind of similar, but we're gonna go in with the first one, which is Pinky Swear, which is a pink beige. These are super creamy, glide on super well, delivers high color payoff with a semi-matte finish, and there's 9 different shades, and I got 5 different shades. The only thing I will say that I hate about these is the fact that they did not write the name on the pencil. It's only on the paper packaging, so hopefully they fix that for when they sell more of these, because I hate that, because if I run out of it, I'm not going to be sure which one it is. The next is Baddest Beige, which is a light neutral beige. Again, this is more on, like it says beige, but a little bit more on the cool tone side. I really enjoy this one. I love a little bit of a darker lip liner. Very beautiful. Now we're going to go in with Mauve Aside, which is a warm rose mauve. I would say this one's probably my favorite shade. It's that pink mauve shade, but in a more natural way. I feel like this is my lip color, but much darker. I love it. It reminds me of my Rem Beauty IQ shade that I really enjoy. More on the cool tone side, I would say. Next is Spill the Tea, which is a warm, I would say kind of yellow-based brown. Definitely replicates sweet tea, in my opinion, like Spill the Tea, but also baby poop, because that's just what the color looks like to me. I have a new nephew, so I feel like I can say it looks like baby poop. But I don't mean that in a bad way. It's just like a very warm toned yellow-based brown, which I feel like is a little bit more uncommon, and I definitely enjoy. Goes with my eyes really well. Next is Truth or Bear, which is a peachy pink. I would classify this as like the perfect 1960s lip color. They were really into peachy pinks, and I feel like this would pair really well with a nice 60s blue eye. I had to try it how I overline my lips just because that's how I feel more comfortable. I just feel like it suits my face better. I know some people probably hate that, but it makes me feel good. And I feel like even if I don't overline, because my lower lip is so much bigger, it does it anyways, so I can't really help it. Here are they all swatched out together. The top one is the Jennifer Coolidge one, so it definitely does look similar, but still different enough. We're also swatching 2 of the new Glow Reviver lip oils. I have the shades Red Delicious and Honey Talks. We're starting with Honey Talks, which is a nice, I would say, I don't even want to call it a cool toned brown, because it really doesn't show up, in my opinion, at least not on me, but it is super hydrating, and I feel like the most hydrating one I've found. I've never tried the Dior ones that it's apparently duping, so I can't really tell if they're the same. They look similar. And here is Red Delicious, which definitely has more pigment, a little bit more red. I was kind of hoping for a little more color than that, but that's okay. I'm going to be wearing these as a lip hydrator anyways. They're non-sticky, hydrating lip oil with a high gloss finish. And these are $8 each, and they have a nice fresh minty scent. I hoped this little swatch video helped you pick out a color that you wanted. Maybe wait until they hopefully change the packaging. I'm really hoping that they start putting the name on the product, because that's going to be annoying for a lot of people, especially makeup artists. But I hope you have a great night or day wherever you are. Bye!